once again. Welcome to my blog for today, and today's Pursues Blog channel's video we are going to make second time for my sushi today because some of my friends will coming today and I'm trying to make some sushi because they like some sushi as well. So of course, yan, I got prepared all the ingredients that I needed, guys, on my table. I will show you. But wait, I will clear up my table because it's a bit messy actually. So, ayan. Of course, ayan ang ating main ingredient. Ang pang balot ng ating sushi, of course. Ayan. And I think we have around 10 pieces for this one. And of course, I will tell you. I'm gonna use this one. So we have eggs, of course. I fry some eggs and yan, nakat ko na kasi yung avocado for such more than 1 hour. So yan, naggiting dark na siya, guys. Kasi nga ang avocado is very sensitive. Parang ano no. No, avocado it should be eat the moment you cut it so that it will be more fresh. But I wait all my friend and they just call me that they will be arrived in 2 hours or in 1 hour. So of course I will start it now. And of course we have marinated with salmon. I marinated some black pepper, lemon, what did I put it? Garlic powder, and of course a little bit of sauce because I want a little bit taste come out. Yeah, so that's all, guys. That is avocado, fry eggs, and sushi. No, salmon, sorry. And of course, we have also here, this is cucumber, guys. Cucumber, and this time I will add a little bit more veggies. Like, for example, I cut it also bell pepper. This is bell pepper. And of course, our tasty carrots. Ayan, ang ating carrots na ilalagay later. And of course, my crab meat. Also, I sprinkle some black pepper, some a little bit oil. And of course, our sesame seed. Ayan, ang aking sesame seed na ilalagay sa rice later. And not the least, ang ating rice, sushi rice. Ayan. Especially for sushi, this kind of rice. It's a little bit sticky, guys. So, yan ang ating, this is my tiny table here in my living room. Medyo, madaming kalat ang aking table, guys. So, pabayaan nyo na lang yan. Just leave it because also my computer, it was there. You see also my sofa is too messy. So, yan. I'll just show you, guys. Actually, tinide up ko. Gusto kong yung maliit kong table is lagay dun sa side kasi nga, dadating sila. So, I want a little bit space on this area for me. Ayan. Inilagay ko dito. Wait. Kuhanin ko nga pala yung aking gloves, guys, na pang gagamitin ko sa aking kamay pag ako'y Uy! Ayan na yung aking nag-fitness kasi ako kanina. Ayan yung bago kong pang-exercise, guys. At yun naman ang aking mga niwa sa aking laundry that I need to fold and put on my closet. As you can see, guys, my closet is too messy, actually. It's too many stuff around. Too many stuff inside. So, ayun. Ayan, dami ko pang labahan, guys. Yung mga dark color, hindi ko pa nalalaban. So, I will do that one later. So, ayun. Tinuro ko na kayo sa aking, ang tawag nito? Aking peaceful apartment. Mahilig ako sa prutas, guys. I eat everything that I like. And of course, pag nakaupo ako sa computer ko, ayan. Nandyan lang yan at ako'y kakain. Mamaya, lalagyan din pala natin, guys, ng counting, tawag na to? Ano ba, nakalimutan ko na, sorry. I forgot about it. Mayonnaise, chuchut. A little bit, chuchut. A little bit of mayonnaise, guys. So, ayan. I also want to show you, guys, ayan. Itinor ko na kayo. Ang aking room. Ayan. Ito yung ginagamit ko pa na chair pag StreamYard ako or nagsisinging. Yan yung ginagamit kong chair. So, ayan ang aking avocado is there. He's waiting for me. Ay, sorry. So, ayan, guys. Uy, sorry. Something is wrong. So, ayan, ang aking tiny private room. Ayan. Bye-bye! Say bye-bye to my big white teddy bear on my bed. And of course, my dinosaur is there. I don't know where is my small one, teddy bear, that I always hug when I go to sleep. Sometimes nagagalit yung isa kasi, bakit daw lagi kong hinahag yung aking teddy bear? Because my teddy bear is already smell of me, guys. Yan na, aking ini-smell lagi sa gabi. Hindi ako makatulog pag hindi ko na-smell ang smell niya. Hindi ko alam bakit. Pag nahag ko na siya, guys, yan. Itatabi natin sila diyang dalawa. Ayan. Ito yung aking mga cutie-cutie nga, no? Oh, ayan. Dress na, diba? Cutie-cutie. For me is cutie-cutie. So, ayun guys, we will continue ang ating pinakita ko lang sa inyo ang aking, close natin ang light. Ang aking kusina is tumisi kaya ayaw magpakita. So, dito ako nag-ano sa living room. Dito ako mag-ayos ng aking sushi, guys. So, tapos na rin ako ng aking pansit bihon. I made some pansit bihon today. I will fry some eggs that I also put on the top when I serve later. Actually, there is already chicken. So, ayan, because hindi naman mga vegetarian ang aking mga kaibigan. So, I add some meat for the bihon for today. And, of course, we were going to add some eggs on the top. I will fry some eggs there. So, ng sushi for today. So, ayan ang ating crab meat. Ang ating avocado. Ayan, nag-iwa-hiwa na tayo guys ng avocado. Damihan na lang natin lalab ng ano. Mamaya, magpapakita ka rin sa video, ha? Hindi lang ako.
Siyempre, para mas maganda.
Di ba? Walang, talo ako niyan eh. Ako lang maganda. Dapat kasama ang isa pang maganda. So,
Talo ka pa? Ikaw na nga maganda, ikaw pang talo.
hindi. Parehas tayong ma-beauty lala. Alam ko yun. Yan.
Wow.
Ating bell pepper.
So yummy.
Mas maganda kasi guys, madaming vegetable sa ating sushi. At makita nyo naman, magandang Ito naman ang ating cucumber. Malaki to lalab pag naiwa siya lalab kasi ang daming gulay.
Okay lang yan.
At marami naman siya lalab kasi
Kahit hindi na marami ang gawin mo lalab kasi
pag inano siya. So ayan.
siya yun.
Mamaya
Magandang gagawa ng sushi.
So, ayan na guys. I'm getting ready for my another roll of sushi. Actually, meron na akong nakat. Isa pa nga lang. Isang roll pa lang nagawa ko. So, this is my second time. My second time around of my sushi, guys. So, wait. 1 second. Ay, Diyos ko talaga. Gusto ko malaking aking space pag ako'y naggagawa ng aking mga So, ayan na. Ayan na yung aking nagawa. My first roll. So, ayan guys, ang ating unfinished roll sushi. As you can see, mayroon na siyang all the ingredients is already there inside on the top of the rice. Of course, the sesame, all kind of vegetable that I like to put on my sushi. And we are going to roll it. I show you guys after I roll it because I cannot do it because of my hand are using for this video. So, ayan na yung na-roll natin, guys. So, ikakat ko na lang siya. Actually, nag-start na ako. Kaso lang naisip kong I'll continue my video. So, that's why I stopped first. So, I'll take another chance to cut one more time. And I show you here. Ayan na yun, guys, ang aking nagawang sushi for today. I roll it first. Then, later, I'm going to cut one by one. So, I'm tired already. I want to be finished all this work. So that's why guys. So, see you.
Teo, tira na baka matira pa ng iba.
Baka tirahin pa ng iba.
Dapat kasi doon na to sa kusina.
Pang pika-pika daw. Gusto niya yung kainin eh.
Picture naman.
Hayaan mo na yun dyan sa ano.
Ano ba yan?
Kakain muna kami guys bago kami magbibideo. Mamaya na kami magkanta. O yun, dyan pala o. Kaya nilagay ko ngayon dyan.
Bakit nagplato-plato? Okay, ano pala?
Minsan tamad ako lalabang hugas kaya naglagay ako nun eh. Akala ko madami tayo.
Ako, lalap.
Tamad.
Isin mo na.
Kaya maingay. Ikaw
sorry,
talaga.
sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. Ayan ang aming sosyeng nagawa for today's video with Sus Vlog Channel. So, ayan ang aming. Aywan ko ba to sa aking mga friend guys? Kasi actually, marami naman ako hinanda for them. Kaso lang, gusto po rin nilang kumain ng, alam mo naman, KFC ko. Ayan, ang ating KFC. So, ayan ang aming celebration for today. And ito naman ang aking beautiful lalab Susan. O, diba? Nandito sila sa aking apartment. In-invite ko.
Hello.
Mamaya, aywan ko kung may friend pa kaming dadating na iba. So, yes, this is it, guys. Actually, I cut already all my sushi. And this is it. The finished product with Sus Vlog sushi for today. So, I hope you enjoy watching my vlog about my cooking vlog for today. And of course, ayan ang aking favorite beautiful flowers. Ayan. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you're watching my vlog for today. It's about my cooking hobby. Actually, it's not cooking. It's just like I really love to do this kind of sushi because I remember always when I did this one, my son really enjoyed to eat sushi. He loves sushi, just like me. So, ayan. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. God bless. From Sus Vlog Channel. Thank you, everyone. I love your friend. Bye-bye.